Get your tickets today.
What's up, everybody? Stayed in case here with Willow Branch Farms.
No one wants to deal with a plumber,
the deep freeze is here.
HVAC.
We'll explain. So we had our second snowstorm, and it wasn't nothing like the first one. This one is pretty well melted away. We got a lot of sleet. The sleet came first, kind of robbed us of our probably an inch of snow. So we're gonna put out some hay for the horses, and I figure go ahead and feed them and put them up. I won't have to worry about them trying to come in and out of the gate. So that's what we're gonna do. So it wasn't super treacherous roads, like they melted off fairly quickly, honestly. That's the way I like it. I don't mind the snow, but I don't want to, you know, I don't like ice and all that mess. But we went from temperatures, you know, last week putting out hay in short sleeves to, I think it was single digits last night. It's in the 20s right now, so we're back in the deep freeze. We'll go drive by and check the ponds for the cows. We already put out hay yesterday for the cows, but didn't get the horses any out. We didn't give them square bales, but I think we're gonna give them some round bales. Me and my buddy Case. We also in the John Deere, because the John Deere got heat. What you got?
I found a bolt in here.
Okay. I don't know if you can tell really good from this camera, but you know, this end's frozen right here. It still is open a little bit on this end. But the ponds down in the bottom stay open because like the wind was blowing like crazy. But you can see this is kind of secluded by these trees, so it don't get the wind like the others do. But that's all right. We got stock tanks with heaters in them. We're gonna go check the heaters, make sure that they're running okay. I don't think muck shoes are the right tool for climbing hay, especially not with mud and snow on it. John Deere is just barely tall enough to reach up and grab that bale, but it gets the job done. Like I said, the heat is nice and toasty. I like the view from up here. I don't really know what the cows, what they're expecting. I put out hay for them yesterday. I meant to bring their cubes over here, so the little man's trying to figure out how to open the door. Let's get this covered back up. Yeah, that one's good. That one's froze. My little splitter on here burned out, so I can only run one heater at a time, but not a big deal. We're just gonna unhook that heater and plug that one up that's already in there, so should be good. Wind is whipping. I don't know if you can see my drone, but he's struggling to stay there, fighting the wind. Now, this is a problem. I don't have heaters in these. That didn't go quite as to plan. Oh well, about to get back in the tractor. I think the wind's what makes it so bad. 20 degrees and the wind blowing that hard. Not sure what the wind chills are, but it's pretty chilly.
And future stronger, you can get started now by saving $28 or more when you join today. You in?
Who's that?
We have all the best in-house equipment you could ever.
Lainey Wilson's gonna be your girlfriend?
And free fitness training to help you mix up your routine. Plus, most clubs are
I think
open
she's getting
24
married right
hours.
now, buddy.
So let's do this. Join
You better hurry up.
today and save $28 or more. Just
my chauffeur. We really can't complain much. We've, excuse me, other than being sick. We've had a pretty mild winter. We've had 2 snows. You don't normally get to see this little monkey much anymore during the week, but their schools are closed and all, so he got to stay home with Daddy today. He got to stay home with Mama yesterday, so he's living it up. She's not being punished. Well, maybe she is. She likes to eat her food real quick. You eat yours real quick, then you go run everybody else off and eat theirs, so have to keep her up. It's more or less just another little short video checking in with you. I will say this, duck season's over. I know I harp on it, but the river got up to like 39.8588 or something, and the record was 40.5. I think we got up to the second highest it's been, maybe ever, but since I've owned the property, I know that. I'm kind of scared, but a little bit curious about getting back down there to see what it looks like. I bet it's in the blind. Our blind's 13 foot off the ground to the floor. And if I had to guess, it's probably a couple feet over that. Try to get down there and see what it torn up, but appreciate y'all tuning in. I'll catch you next time. God bless you. Got to get it out of our blood one last time. Probably the last snow of the season. Good roll. Give me 5.